we have our first aid guide right here walking us through some common symptoms and treatments, as well as CPR for adults and for infants. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Be Smart 100-piece first aid kit. I did purchase this product by myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through what's included. So we have a nice breakdown of all the different parts and pieces that make up this kit, and it's perfect for home, work, and travel, and it's made in the USA. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our first aid guide right here walking us through some common symptoms and treatments, as well as CPR for adults and for infants. Same information on the backside in multiple languages. Next, you can see we have our cold compress followed by 4 splints. You can see our different adhesive strips right here and bandages. So check that out, multiple sizes, large quantities. We have our gloves, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, our cotton tip applicators. We have some adhesive tape, our alcohol prep pads, and you can see all of our different gauze pads right here in a variety of sizes. So as you can see, this first aid kit comes with a lot of different items that are great to keep at home, at work, or for travel in case you ever need anything for some cuts, some scrapes, some bruises, or some minor aches and pains. This is definitely something that will come in handy over the course of your lifetime. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.